Well, good morning and welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. It is a little bit cold this morning. It's been rainy. Sorry, gotta throw the chickens some feed if I can get in here. They kick out the bedding. Let me just throw some in here quick. There we go. Get it? I gotta dig the bedding right there because they kick it out. They kick it out of the coop. There's some in there. And we've got a bit of an issue over here. Throw some more for these guys. My little chicken tractor. Chicken scratch is good for grass growth, it seems. Throw some out here for my roosters, but I got a problem here, which we talked about on my live stream. Oh, here comes the ducks. Yeah, ducks are coming, so I need to give them another pile. Come on, quackers. There we go, they'll come and get it. Let's see. Ducks coming to run off the chickens to get to the seed. Get them a fill. And gotta throw Porky some feed, and then we're gonna check in on Ratmageddon and see how Ratmageddon is doing. If you've been following the live streams, I enclosed the honey house. Porky, you got, good morning, Pork, but you got mud or water in here from the rain, and we'll just put some of that in there. It'll float a little bit. There you go, Pork. Eat you. Here you go, Pork. Get you some breakfast. All right. So, as it's rainy out, as most of you guys know, this used to be a screened-in porch, and the screened-in porch enclosed it. But before I enclosed it, there was no, hold on. So as many of you know, this was a screened porch. It had several, just years and years of boxes had collaborated on this porch. It was everything from old clothes, dishes, whatever. But that being said, as I was cleaning the porch off, I was noticing well, I didn't have to look too hard. There was rats everywhere in these boxes. So I'd lift up a box and 5-6 rats would come jumping out. Well, they have since found this building, this little pump house. And I put a couple little of those Tomcat baits in there. So I'm curious. We're gonna open it up together and see if we see any of these rats that I've been talking about. I actually, just on the bottom, I put a couple of those little things. I'm pretty sure when I open this up, we'll see rats. So we're gonna see it together, and hopefully they don't come running out and scare me like a little girl. And oh, look, dead one. There's a dead one right there. That's how big that rat was. It got the bait. It ate the bait. Now there was 2 baits. I don't know where the other one is, but we got one. This thing's just jam full with extra stuff. Let's pull this rat out. Dead rat from yesterday, and see how big this joker is. I really don't think that was the biggest one. But with that being said, I don't hear any shuffling. Maybe it was only 2 in there, but I'm pretty sure where there's 2, there's more. So Stuart Little didn't make it. So that was some rat food, and did not make it. And then there's got to be another dead one in there unless this thing ate all of it. But these were jumping around last night. So now I got to collect this and get rid of it. So bear with me. So just if you can see the green on its mouth, it did get some tomcat bait. But that was a big one. We're going to continue to try to eliminate these. But look at that tail. That's huge. All right. We threw Stuart Little out here in the woods, so hopefully a humane critter will come and feed on. All right, so that's about all we got today for Ratmageddon series. We're gonna continue to trap them. I gotta go make some, I'm gonna go get a bucket. Well, I've got a bucket. I'm gonna go get some sunflower seeds and set it out and try to trap them in the bucket and drown them. So that'll be the next thing, and see how many we can catch. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching today's little short episode, and we'll keep following Ratmageddon. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.